Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GeekyCodes. If you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss a Python tutorial or a LeetCode solution from our channel. Today we are going to solve this problem called maximum average subarray part 1. And in this video, we will use a powerful trick, the sliding window technique, to make our code super efficient. So here is what the problem says. We have been given an array of numbers and an integer k, and we need to find the maximum average of any subarray of length k. Okay, so let's understand this with a quick example. Suppose we have been given an array nums and it contains some numbers 1, 12, minus 5, minus 6, 50 and 3, and k is equal to 4. So we need to find all the subarrays of length 4. That means starting from here, it should be 1, 12, 5, minus 5, minus 6. And average of this should be 5, 6, 11 and 13 minus 11 should be 2, and then divided by 4, that will be 0.5. And similarly, all the subarrays will be calculated of size 4. And then their average will be calculated, and then maximum average should be taken out. Okay, so now here is the key idea. Instead of calculating the sum again and again for each window of size k, we will slide the window by removing the first element and adding the next one. That's the sliding window technique. For example, in this technique, what we will do is that first we will select this subarray, and then we will calculate the average of this one, and in the next iteration we will just take this 50 this element, and we will remove the first element from the original subarray, and we will calculate the average of these elements, and in the next iteration we will remove 12 from beginning, and we will take the 3, and similarly we will calculate the next average of that subarray. Okay, so I hope you understand the thing. So now let's write the code. First of all, we will define window sum, window underscore sum equal to sum of nums, that is k, and now we will calculate max sum is equal to window sum. We are defining the original sum as max sum, and now for I in range of k comma length of nums, we will calculate the window underscore sum plus equal to nums I minus nums of I minus k, and then we will check for the max sum is equal to max of max underscore sum comma window underscore sum, and then we will return the max underscore sum divided by k. So here is here what we are doing is that we are first defining the window sum of the first 4 elements, and we are also defining the max sum as window sum, and then we are iterating from k to the end of the array, and then we are taking the window sum as we will be adding the nums I, that means from k is equal to 4 and then k is equal to 5, and then we will remove this I minus k, that means the first element in first iteration, and then we will check for the maximum of max sum and window sum, because window sum is getting updated every time and max sum is just the first one, and then with every iteration max sum is also getting updated and window sum is also getting updated, and at the end the max sum will be returned divided by k, that will be the average of that particular subarray. Now let's check if our code works or not. As we can see here that our code passes these two test cases. Now we will check for all the test cases in this problem. As we can see here that our code passes all the test cases. That means 127 test cases in this problem, and it also performs well. So that's it for today's video, and I hope you liked the explanation. And if we talk about time complexity in this problem, our time complexity here is linear, that is big O of n, which is super efficient and even for large arrays. And if we talk about space complexity, it's the big O of 1, because we are not using any extra space. You just learned how to solve maximum average Subarray problem and using a simple and powerful approach. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button and comment your favorite sliding window trick, and of course subscribe to GeekyCodes for more awesome Python tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.